Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this roast recipe. So if you're interested to see what it turns out like and want to try this recipe, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take out my crock pot to get it starting to heat up. And everything you're going to need is a roast, some potatoes, an onion, some beef stew seasoning, a can of beef broth, some carrots, and then any of the other seasonings of your choice. I will show you all of mine as I go through. But now we're just going to wash our meat, and then we're going to peel the potatoes, chop the onion, and just get everything into the crock pot. So it is a few hours later. I'm just going to go ahead and take out the roast so I can shred it up and it can soak in the inside the crock pot like that for a little bit. So all you're going to do is however you want to do it. I just use 2 forks and I put it on a plate and I just kind of pull it apart, and then I will pick out some of the more fatty pieces. But after this, you just let it sit in there till you are ready to eat. And I will show you guys the finished product. But that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.